We're making our Turkmenistan bread, and it's chorek, and we've heated the milk, and we put the milk into a bowl, and we're going to make our dough. 1.5 teaspoons of yeast to our warm milk. Now we're adding sugar. After adding the sugar, the yeast, and the warm milk together, wait about 5 minutes. Adding 4 to 5 cups of all-purpose flour to the yeast, sugar, and warm milk mixture that's been sitting for 5 minutes. 1/3 of a cup of oil, and we pour it into the dough to make our bread. A tablespoon of salt into the dough mixture.
She finished
Now we're going to mix the dough until it's ready. Dough for our bread, and we're going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and rest and rise. So we're separating the dough into several balls right now, and we're going to make our bread. So we're rolling out the dough. After the dough has been rolled out, now take a decorative stamp, and you're going to create a design or a pattern on the top of your bread. The bread is about almost 1 inch thick, and Bahar made this herself out of a bunch of toothpicks. The top of the bread with an egg wash right now, and you could see the pattern, the texture on it from the decorative stamp we used. This will give the bread a very pretty sheen. It has now come out of the oven, and you can see it's absolutely beautiful, and you know it's going to be delicious.
People ignorant, they don't know. They don't know.